Assalamu alaikum. I'm sorry about the video quality because uh, my mobile was not available at this time. It's good to be here in my lawn with the nature, the sounds of the birds, everything seems like it has taken a new birth. It's a fresh start because it's a new day. And the Fajr time has a lot of things to reveal to us. The energy field that is right now that we can experience, we human beings. Actually, the human beings are unconscious of a lot of things, unfortunately, because their own psychological activity has taken so much inertia, so much momentum, and because of that, they are unable to experience the deeper dimensions of life. We human beings have our physical body as well as mental body and our energy body. These all bodies have something to do with our existence, and we need to know that how should we conduct these dimensions consciously. So, what is the significance of this time? At this time, our energy body is very clear and very clean because it is supported by the universe itself at this time. Why is it so? Everything from birds, from trees, all the nature, all the human beings, everything has a fresh start at this time. It is a releasing time in a way. By releasing, I mean that it is a time to release your ego. Now, what is ego? Ego is the inertia that happens as a consequence of your identification with the physical form. This inertia of your physical concerns, when it gains momentum, it takes the control of yourself. Now you are not in control, your ego is in control. And once your ego is in control, then everything seems to be compulsive in nature. And once everything seems to be compulsive in nature, then you do not feel good naturally, because our nature is to experience freedom. Our nature is to experience the unboundedness within us. Your energy body is in a certain way, it is supported in a certain way. When your energy body is very clear, you naturally feel no problem with your existence. Supporting your energy body in a certain way is the greatest blessing that happens at this time. If you want to enhance the quality of experience of your life, then doing this simple exercise daily at the morning time, at this time specifically, offering your Fajr prayer, it can take you to the higher quality of experience of life within days that will otherwise happen in a long time. So, work for yourself, work for your benefit, and do wake up at Fajr, offer your namaz. This is my message. Thank you.